Hi guys, welcome back. Samsung have released a budget smartphone, £220. This is the Samsung Galaxy A40. The first thing I noticed when I received this is a small box. A lot of the smartphones I've had recently have had huge boxes, huge phones. Well, this is a 5.9 inch screen. Has Infinity U display, dual camera, fast charging, 25 megapixel front facing camera, 64 gigabytes of storage, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Let's see what's in the box. So we've got the boring warranty card, quick start guide, which is a given for any sort of smartphone. And within the box here we have a fast charging charger, 5 and 9 volt output, USB Type-C charging cable, and some earphones with some earbuds in there as well. And at the bottom there you can just see the SIM ejector pin as well. Now let's take it out of this plastic case or sleeve. Okay, so I opted for the blue colour and that looks very nice. It's got a bit of protective stickers on the corners as well, around the edge of the frame. Yeah, it's small and light. So we have a plastic back, so it does feel a little bit cheap, but it is what I call a budget smartphone. Dual rear camera, fingerprint sensor, flashlight. On the side we have volume rocker and power. The bottom, USB Type-C, which does support fast charging, which is great. A 3.5mm socket. Speakers, and a tiny microphone. On the side, SIM tray. Top is clear apart from the microphone at the top as well. So at the top, there is the 25 megapixel front facing camera. Just above that is the slot for the earpiece. Let's turn it on. Secured by Knox, Samsung Galaxy A40. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to set this up. There you can see the size of the bezels at the top and the bottom, and this is a full HD plus Super AMOLED display as well. So I'll be back in a minute. Here it is, guys. It is quite a thing of beauty. It's a really nice Super AMOLED display at 1080p. It has the Exynos 7885 octa-core CPU as well, and at the bottom you'll see there is no navigation bar because I have just turned that off. So at the moment that is in gesture mode, so you can gesture back, home or recent apps. So it definitely looks like a Samsung phone. Here is the app drawer. You don't get much applications. Obviously you get lots of the Samsung apps as well, Samsung Health, as you normally do on Samsung phones. And they've even chucked Spotify on there as well. So I'll show you the settings, the navigation bar. You can turn on there at the bottom. That brings your buttons up, but then you lose a bit of screen. So I'm going to keep the gestures on full brightness as well. So that's what you're looking at. Viewing angles are really, really good. They ought to be with the Super AMOLED display. Normally budget smartphones, they're shipped with IPS panels, but this has a really nice display. And a tiny little notch for the front facing camera. This is the lock screen. You get notifications there displayed on the front as well. Use fingerprint to unlock. There we go. Again. Yeah, I think quicker, but accurate nonetheless. So for £220 you also get NFC. So you can use the smartphone to use Google Pay and pay with stuff via your smartphone. User interface definitely feeling rather smooth. Yeah, it feels really good. That's the back button. Close. Yeah, quite impressed with it at the moment, guys. Right, so testing YouTube out. Test the video quality. It's at 1080p at 60 frames per second. Snip back there. Bit dark at the moment. Pinch zoom, look at that. Beautiful. That is a superb display. Smooth video playback as well. That is excellent. Okay, let's have a look at this camera then, shall we? Okay, so there are quite a few settings within the camera. On the back, it has a wide-angled lens as well. So the moment we're in photo mode with the normal lens, we can switch to wide-angled there. That's definitely capturing a hell of a lot more space. So we're going to shoot from here, wide-angled photo. Then hold it in position. Let's switch back to normal. Take a photo from there. Show you the settings. Rear video size shoots up to 1080p, full HD, 16:9. So you can shoot 2336 by 1080p, which is the full screen, but that doesn't support video stabilization. So probably just best off sticking with 1080p. Back, front-facing video, the same as well, pretty much the same. High efficiency video, HDR, quick launch. That's about it. Let's switch to front-facing camera. There I am. Now we have normal photo mode, so let's go. Live focus mode, let's switch to live focus. And you can see the blur effect kicking in there. Let's see. Yeah, you can turn that down. Turn it down, or turn it right up. Let's turn it right up. All the way to 7. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty decent. 25 megapixel front-facing camera. That is quite impressive. Okay, let's try the rear video. So can we have wide-angled in video? Let's shoot. We can. We have wide-angled lens in video. Now stabilization is definitely there. So here we go. Samsung Galaxy A40, a budget Samsung smartphone for £220. Testing video quality, audio quality, stability. It does look pretty good. It does look very good. Let me know what you guys think. Switch to normal lens video. There we go again. So again, stabilization seems to be on as well, 1080p. Yeah, obviously picking up a lot less in terms of area and space because of the narrow angled lens, but it still looks as good. Very good quality. Okay, that was the A40. Okay, front-facing video then. Okay, the front-facing video camera on the Galaxy A40. It looks really good. Yeah, I like that. That's proper red, that is. Quite vibrant. Let me know what you think, guys. Quality, audio quality as well. Thanks. So that's pretty much it. That's a quick look at the Galaxy A40. It has a 3100 milliamp battery, fast charging as well. So I'm hoping for decent battery life. I'm hoping that this gets me through a full day. I'll be installing PUBG and having a few games, Asphalt 9 as well. Hopefully Asphalt 9 is compatible. But yeah, so far so good. £220 budget. You're getting quite a lot for it. Really, really nice display. Camera looks great. It's a nice design. Feels really smooth. Yes, it is plastic. Does feel slightly cheap, but looks pretty decent. So that is it for now. Galaxy A40. Links are in the description below. Get it on Amazon for £220. Let me know what you guys think of this Samsung budget smartphone. So I think it's pretty great. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.